Controlled drug delivery system. Our last class we discussed about right pre-programmed drug delivery system, and the right pre-programmed drug delivery system consisting of a drug reservoir which drug, then right controlled surface. So the right programmed drug delivery system, the release of drug molecules from delivery system has been programmed at a specific rate profile. It controls molecular diffusion of drug molecules in or across barrier medium within or surrounding the delivery systems. So this right pre-programmed drug delivery system are of three types: polymer membrane permeation controlled drug delivery system, you already discussed in last class; polymer matrix diffusion controlled drug delivery system; then micro reservoir partition controlled drug delivery system. Now we discuss about polymer matrix diffusion controlled drug delivery system. This polymer matrix diffusion controlled drug delivery system is prepared by homogeneously dispensing drug particles in rate controlling polymer matrix. So the drug particles is embedded in a rate controlling polymer matrix. Lipophilic or hydrophilic polymers are used. The drug dispersion in the polymer matrix is carried out by blending of drug with a liquid polymer or mixing of drug with a rubbery polymer. So the drug molecules, that is the drug reservoir, is kept inside a polymer matrix, and that particular polymer matrix determines the rate of drug release. Drug release from polymer matrix carried out as a homogeneous dispersion in lipophilic non-soluble polymer matrix and hydrophilic soluble polymer matrix. In lipophilic non-soluble polymer matrix, the drug release is based on the non-solubility and the polymer does not have the capability to swelling. And hydrophilic soluble polymer matrix, when approaches to the liquid media or the targeted site, that hydrophilic polymer matrix swelling happens and the drug released by the mechanism of swelling. This is a two types of drug release in non-soluble and soluble matrix. In non-soluble matrix, the drug release from the drug depletion zone. Drug release from drug depletion zone. And in hydrophilic polymer, that is soluble matrix, the drug released due to the swelling capacity of the particular polymer, and the drug released from the gel layer. It's an example for a polymer matrix diffusion controlled drug delivery system. It's a device that is NitroDure. It's a nitroglycerin containing matrix system. It is fabricated by first heating in a aqueous solution of aqueous soluble polymer, glycerol and polyvinyl alcohol. The temperature of the solution is gradually lowered and nitroglycerin and lactose triturate are dispersed just above the congealing temperature of solution. Then the mixture is solidified in a mold at or below room temperature and then sliced into form a medicated polymer disc. So this medicated polymer disc consisting of nitroglycerin, and it has a rate controlling polymeric membrane. It consisting of a rate controlling polymeric membrane. Rate controlling polymeric membrane. And the drug is kept in a drug reservoir, and this rate controlling polymeric membrane determines the rate of drug release. Next type is micro reservoir partition controlled drug delivery system. This system is fabricated by micro dispersion of an aqueous suspension of drug in a biocompatible polymer. The example for nitro disc system is an example for micro reservoir partition system. This nitroglycerin is incorporated with the lactose and it is converted is incorporated with 40% polyethylene glycol and isopropyl palmitate, silicone elastomer molded to form a solid medicated disc. So in example for a micro reservoir partition system. And it acts as a reservoir. Micro reservoir, it acts as a reservoir, and that reservoir consisting of drug particles. So that reservoir determines the rate of drug release. Nitro disc system is an example. This is a nitro disc system. Another example is subdermal synchromate C implant. So this implant is act as a drug reservoir, and norgestomate is a drug in aqueous solution and is kept in that reservoir, and this reservoir system, that is polymeric coating membrane, is act as an outer layer, and this polymeric coating membrane determines the rate of drug release. Okay, thank you.